All right, let's spend a minute talking about micron pens. You should be at the table that has this sign, and we're going to be working on pattern designs. I have already written micron pens at the top and the definition at the bottom. Now, what you want to do for this activity is use your pen, which has a really nice thin point, and depending on the number on the top, you're going to see it'll identify with the thickness of the point. So if you want a really, really thin one, go for 005, and then the numbers get bigger. So 8 is the biggest. I'm going to use one that's kind of in the middle. It's a little bit thicker, and I'm going to be working on my pattern designs. Now, I have these Zentangle books for inspiration, so please look at them. There's lots of more complicated pattern designs in here. Feel free to use these if you would like. If you would just like to come up with your own pattern design, you can. If you prefer to do something more simple, but this just gives you lots of ideas of how you can do patterns. I started with drawing a flower, and I've already started working on this, and I'm just kind of going slowly in creating my pattern. Now, you can start with a recognizable drawing like a flower or a house or an animal, or you can just kind of make a shape and then draw within that shape. So that's what I did here. Try to take your time and be very gentle with these micron pens because they will get ruined if you squish the tip too hard or you aren't using it properly, and they are quite expensive. When you get started, make sure you're using one of your empty spaces. So don't go to one of the drawings that you already made. This is one of the two that go in the empty spaces. All right, let's get started.